there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we do all the hard work so you can make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the TizzyToy brushless motor drone, and on the right, the Tech Wonders drone with camera. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Alright, let's start with the cameras. On the left, the TizzyToy is flexing with a 4K, 120 degrees adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens. It's like having a mini James Cameron in your backpack. Reviewers love the stunning 4K FPV camera quality for capturing high-definition images. Meanwhile, on the right, the Tech Wonders is rocking a 1080p HD dual camera setup that rotates 90 degrees. It's not quite 4K, but hey, it's got that dual camera action going on. Users appreciate the great image quality and find it perfect for casual photography. If you're into capturing every single leaf on a tree, TizzyToy is your guy. But if you just want to snap some cool pics for the gram, Tech Wonders might be enough for you. Next up, motors and stability. TizzyToy boasts brushless motors, which means higher speeds and less noise. It's like the Tesla of drones. Plus, it's got optical flow positioning and altitude hold, making it as steady as a rock. Users praise its stability in windy conditions and smooth performance. On the flip side, Tech Wonders has optical flow positioning too, but it's more like that friend who promises to help you move but shows up late with coffee. It's good but not quite as reliable. Reviewers find it easy to fly and hover in place, which is great for beginners. Now, let's talk battery life and accessories. TizzyToy comes with two 1,600 mAh batteries. Plus, it includes extra fan blades and a swanky storage bag. Reviewers love the additional battery life and the convenience of spare parts and accessories. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Tech Wonders, on the other hand, brags about its upgraded battery that can last up to 50 minutes. That's 10 extra minutes to crash into your neighbor's tree. Reviewers appreciate the zippered case and the included batteries. But remember, TizzyToy gives you a carrying case so you can look cool while lugging it around. Let's dive into features. TizzyToy is packed with goodies like high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3-speed gears, gesture control, and even a 360 degrees flip. It's like a flying circus. Plus, it has an electronic fence to keep it from flying off into the sunset. Reviewers are impressed with the variety of features, including obstacle avoidance. Tech Wonders isn't slacking either with its 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, one-key takeoff, landing, and waypoint functions. It's like a drone with a PhD in dodging trees and following you around. Users find it easy to maneuver and appreciate its advanced features. Finally, let's talk money. TizzyToy is priced at a cool $99. It's like finding a designer bag at a thrift store. Reviewers find it affordable and a great value for the features it offers. Meanwhile, Tech Wonders comes in at $129. You're paying a bit more, but you do get that extra battery life. Users feel it is worth the money for the ease of use and quality it provides. So if you're on a budget, TizzyToy is your go-to. If you've got some extra cash to burn, Tech Wonders might just be worth it. Both drones have received positive feedback from users. The TizzyToy brushless motor drone is praised for its affordability, camera quality, smooth flight, and variety of features, though some users have noted poor customer support. The Tech Wonders drone with camera is appreciated for its ease of use, great image quality, and longer battery life, making it a solid choice for beginners. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're Team Tizzy Toy with its 4K camera and brushless motors, or Team Tech Wonders with its dual cameras and longer battery life, both drones have their unique perks. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying and smart buying. And seriously guys, keep those drones away from your neighbor's cat. Trust me on this one. Product links are in the description.